Hello, what I wanted to very quickly do in this video was to demonstrate to you how we can now integrate GIS running on different devices. So in the diagram I'm showing on the screen here, you notice we've got mobile, desktop and web. In today's world we can now integrate applications running on each of those different devices using technology like ArcGIS Online, and in this video we'll actually walk through a demo which does exactly that. So I'll move that screen off. I'm going to show my iPad. So this is actually a mirroring of my iPad, and we're running an application, a data collection application that we wrote, but this could be any data collection application. Let's just walk through adding a point to this. So imagine I'm out in the field and I've got my iPad and I'm collecting data. We're going to add a point feature. So we add the Colvetts option there. We're just going to tap on the map, and up pops our attributes window. Now I'm just going to change the values that are in here. I'm just going to make, just from drop downs, now there's a whole slew of different values that I could change in here. I'm just going to do 4, there we go. So we could change date fields, etc., etc. This is all data that's published in a hosted feature service in ArcGIS Online. That web map you were just looking at is a web map that we've got hosted there. Looking at the top there, we could actually add an image to this this point feature as well. Again, that's functionality that you'll see in other data collection applications, but let's just add that point. So we okayed it. Now you'll notice and take note of where that location is. It's just close to that other point, just down to the lower left, the lower right of it. So we've added data. That data has now been pushed automatically up to that web map. Let's prove that point. We'll bring back our web page. And I'm first of all going to show you a web application, a custom web application that we've written. And you notice as I pan the map there, that point came in. There's that new point. There's the 1, 2, 3, 4 drop downs that we changed. So that data is now in the cloud. That data is now part of that hosted feature service. So anyone that's using a web application, and web application these days are very focused, so there's many people in the organization that are using web applications that are accessing these common data sets and doing various things with them. In this case we've got a draw and we've got an edit tool as well in here, but there could be any number of different focuses and tools that are built into this one. So that's a web application. This also could be an executive dashboard as well, which is a summary data set, but it's access or a summary of current data hitting this data. Now what I wanted to underline to you is this is data in real time. Okay, the next tab shows you us logged into ArcGIS Online. So if you go to arcgis.com and you log into your own subscription and you load this web map, there's that point again, right there. So again, another access point. This is a web access point, but that data is being shared across the organization. Let's show you one more cool thing. Let's just drop that down. Now I've got our map just there. I'm going to pan it slightly. Now I've got a little bit of a slow connection here, so this may come in a little bit more slowly. Actually, it's coming quicker than I expected. There's that point. So what we're looking at here is analysts, people who are real GIS professionals, can now do their analysis against that data. That's pretty cool stuff. Let's go back to our diagram that we started with. Close that down. So we really truly do have integration, and in 2 minutes I showed you how we did that. We took a field data collection point. It could be a smartphone, it could be on your iPad or an Android tablet, or even a Windows tablet. I use an iPad to push data into a shared layer in ArcGIS Online. We showed web access, executive dashboards, any number of other focus applications that are in web browsers accessing that data. This could, remember, also be on mobile devices as well, since we've obviously got access using responsive design to applications which look good on phones and tablets. So not just office-based web, this could also be mobile web. And we've also shown desktop via our map accessing the same data in real time. I've said real time a number of times there. This is really, really powerful stuff, super exciting. Thanks for watching.